Do you want to learn about chord vamping and how to use it in a bunch of different styles? Well, in today's quick tip, we're going to explore chord vamping in many styles, including swing, bossa, ballad, and funk. And by the end of this quick tip, you'll be able to vamp with ease in all of these styles. Are you ready to learn how it's done? Then let's begin. All right, we're going to begin with the swing style. We're going to look at 4 different chord vamps in the swing style, beginning with chord vamp number 1, where we go from the 1 chord to the 5 chord. Swing chord vamp number 2 is going from the 1 chord to the tritone of 5. Swing chord vamp number 3 is going from the 1 chord to the 6 chord to the 2 chord to the 5 chord, also called the major turnaround. Swing vamp number 4 is going from 1 dominant to a flat 7 dominant. If you're enjoying today's quick tip, please hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe for more great content just like this. Our next style category is Bossa Nova. We're going to explore 4 different Bossa Nova vamps, starting with the first one where we go from the 1 chord to the 5 chord. Our next Bossa Nova chord vamp is going from the 1 chord to a 2 to a 5 in the key of C major. Our third bossa vamp goes from the 1 chord to the tritone of 5. The fourth bossa nova vamp goes from the 1 chord to the flat 7 dominant. And if you'd like to get the downloadable PDF and backing tracks from today's quick tip, please click on the link below. Our third style is the ballad style, and we're going to explore 4 different chord vamps in the ballad style, starting with 1 to the 5 chord. The second ballad vamp is going from the 1 chord to the tritone of 5. Our third ballad vamp goes from the 1 chord to the 6 chord to the 2 chord to the 5 chord, also called the major turnaround. Our fourth ballad vamp goes from the 1 chord to the minor 4 to the flat 7, also called the backdoor turnaround. And for a deeper dive into chord vamping, you can check out the many courses we have over at pianowithjohnny.com. Our fourth style is funk, and so we're going to look at 4 different funk vamps, starting with the first one that goes from the major 1 to the dominant 5. Our second funk vamp starts with the 1 chord, then goes to the 2 minor to the 5 dominant. The third funk groove starts with a minor 1 and goes to a dominant 4. Our final funk vamp is the chord progression minor 1, dominant 6, dominant 2, dominant 5.
Hey, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the lesson, please let me know in the comments. Also, be sure to check out pianowithjonny.com. We have over 1,000 step-by-step lessons for all playing levels where you'll learn your favorite songs, styles, and how to improvise at the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.